Hi, Dr. Anshul Gupta here, a functional medicine expert. And I need to tell you something about ginger today that might shock you. You have been told that ginger is an anti-inflammatory superfood, right? You have been making ginger teas or adding ginger to your smoothies. But here's the brutal truth. Ginger alone is practically useless for inflammation. I know that sounds crazy, especially coming from someone who has spent researching natural anti-inflammatory compounds. But after reviewing several research studies and working with thousands of patients who are dealing with chronic inflammation, I discovered something about ginger that changed everything. The problem isn't ginger itself, it is the way you are using it is wrong. And today I'm going to share with you the exact combination that unlocks ginger's anti-inflammatory power. And this isn't just theory, it is backed by science, and I have seen this combination reduce inflammatory markers in my patients by more than 50% in just 2 weeks. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you exactly how to use this combination that will make ginger a powerhouse of inflammation killing machine. Now ginger is amazing because it blocks inflammatory enzymes like COX-2 as well as LOX, which helps in reducing pain, swelling, bloating, as well as reducing inflammation in your gut. But here's the catch. Ginger alone cannot work on all the different pathways of inflammation. Plus, to enhance the work of ginger in reducing inflammation, we need to use certain compounds so that the ginger is absorbed better from your gut so that it can become an anti-inflammatory medicine for your body. Now, most of the inflammation that people have in their body is what we call as chronic inflammation. This chronic inflammation first attacks your cell membranes of your cell, and then it reaches inside of your cells and your nucleus and damages your DNA. Now, ginger is great in fighting this inflammation inside of your cells, but it does a poor job in fighting inflammation at the cellular membranes. This is where flaxseed oil is really great in fighting inflammation at the cellular membrane levels. Now, it doesn't end only with flaxseed oil because you also need piperine from black pepper because it enhances the absorption of ginger from your gut. Plus, it also enhances the work of flaxseed oils on your cell membranes. So it is like this. Ginger acts like a fire extinguisher, which takes care of the immediate inflammatory fire inside your cells and calms it down. And the flaxseed oil is like rebuilding your house so it doesn't keep on catching fire again and again. And these two work together really good in a synergistic manner so that when you combine them, then you see 20x benefits. Flaxseed oil is really high in omega-3 fatty acids, especially ALA, which has shown in research studies that it can reduce inflammatory markers like CRP, IL-6 and TNF-alpha also. And once you're going to start using this combination of ginger, flaxseed oil and black pepper, you are going to see amazing results. You will feel less joint pains, your digestion is going to be improved significantly, you will have more energy, less bloating, and you will feel that your brain is working really good. But you have to use this exact recipe which I am sharing with you right now, which I call my secret inflammation killer. For this, you need 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger juice. You need 1 teaspoon of flaxseed oil. You need 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. You need a pinch of black pepper, and then you need 1 glass of warm water. How to prepare this? You take 1 glass of warm water and then you add your ginger juice, your flaxseed oil, your lemon juice and black pepper into it. You might need to stir it a little bit, or even better, use a shaker bottle and shake it a little bit so that the ingredients get mixed with each other. And then you just have to use it once a day. Preferably use it empty stomach, either in the morning time when your body is waking up and trying to fight off inflammation, or use it in the afternoon time between your lunch and dinner so that your body can get rid of inflammation and support your body's adrenal glands also the same time. So if you have been using ginger like me for reducing inflammation, that is good. But to make ginger a powerhouse for killing inflammation, you now know the right recipe, because that is going to be a big game changer in improving inflammation levels for your body. So give this recipe a try. Along with this, to improve your inflammation levels, you can also use a specific supplement that I have created with various anti-inflammatory herbs into it. It is called Inflammtory and it is available worldwide on our website. The link will be in the description if you want to buy this special anti-inflammatory supplement, which works really great with this recipe. So try using ginger this way and share in the comment section after 1 week what improvements you see in your inflammation levels. I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel, as well as share this great information with others who can benefit from it. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.